In a world where air combat no longer needs a human pilot, the Loyal Wingman is the future. Developed by Boeing Australia, this unmanned stealth drone was built to fly side by side with fighters like the F-35, the FA-18, and even radar planes like the E-7. It's over 11 meters long, flying for more than 4 hours straight at speeds reaching 1,000 kilometers per hour. But it's not just a drone. It's an AI-powered combat partner, designed to scout, jam, strike, and even sacrifice itself to protect human pilots. The Loyal Wingman uses modular payloads, from radar and infrared sensors to electronic warfare systems. Its stealth body is crafted with advanced composites, digitally engineered for maximum survivability, minimum detectability. The nose? It's swappable. Surveillance mission today, strike mission tomorrow. Powered by onboard AI, it thinks, reacts, and fights without waiting for human commands. Australia has invested over $400 million, and the US is watching closely, testing this ghost bat in joint operations. This is just the beginning. The age of autonomous squadrons is now. Ghost Bat, your wingman that never sleeps.